Okay, so here we're going to be talking about how to build the GUI for our Python program for Snake. So here we're just going to go ahead and make a GUI class inside our game file. And this GUI is just going to take in a game and a size, and we'll just set those parameters. And the GUI for the game, we need to set it to be size, or we need to set it to be self. So here we're just setting just some basic stuff for Tkinter. We're just creating a canvas, so that's just going to have its width and its height, and then we'll just pack that canvas onto the app. So now what we need to do is iterate over the number of snakes that we have, and for each snake, we're going to give it its own unique color. So we'll just index that by I plus 1 times 500. And then we just pick that snake, and we're going to go ahead and just create a rectangle for the head that's going to be that specific color. And then we'll also iterate over the body, making each of those their own rectangles that are a specific color. And this way we can differentiate the head from the body, because it'll be two different colors. So here, the create rectangle, we're just giving it the coordinates of the two of the vertices. So we give it the top left vertice and the bottom right vertice of the rectangle, and it just creates the rest. So now when we're in the jth element of the snake, now we're just going to create a different color, and we just iterate over the body of the snake. Now we just do the same thing for the food. So we basically are just going across and changing it so that instead of snake, it's just food. And then here, I guess it just makes sense to make food be black for now, and we can change it later, because I'm pretty sure that the 500 and the 123 aren't going to generate black ever. Or yeah, they definitely won't, actually. So, and now here in update, we are going to do this basically every turn. We're going to update the GUI. So we delete all the rectangles that we made before, and now we just re-update them. So all that we have to do is just self.app.update, and that's different than the update that we just wrote. So here we're going to make our GUI in main, and we just need the GUI size, so we make that and we run it. Oh, it looks like I think I left -1s instead of j's in the snake when we iterate over. Yeah. That's exactly what happened. Okay, so each of these -1s, we just have to turn them into j's. And we'll have to do that for both our initialization and our update. So we can just go ahead and copy paste that right in there. And now if we go ahead and run, okay, so the first snake killed itself. Wow. They have like a 1/4 probability to kill themselves, and they're doing it a lot, because this is, again, just a random player. So I'll just run this until we get like a decent snake that actually goes for a little bit. Okay, it's avoiding the food, but again, it's just a random player for now, so we'll create agents that are hopefully better than that. Okay, so that was good. That's the GUI. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to ask, but that's the end of this video.